Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us, hip hooray!
Hello, little explorers. I'm Sunny the Sparrow, your feathered friend for today's adventure. Do you love birds? I do. Birds are amazing. Some can talk, some can dance, and some can fly super fast. Come along, let's meet some of my bird friends and have a flappy good time. Meet the parrot, talkative and colorful.
Hello, kids. Can you talk like me? Squawk. I am Polly the parrot, and I love to repeat what you say. Let's try it together. Say hello, Polly.
Hello, Polly.
Now say pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Great job. Parrots love to talk and mimic sounds. Next time you hear a parrot, try talking to it.
Meet the penguin, waddling and sliding.
Brr, welcome to my icy home. I'm Penny the penguin, and I love to waddle and slide on the ice. Now let's slide. Whoosh wee. Try pretending to slide like me. That was so much fun. Penguins can't fly, but we are super swimmers. Now let's meet another cool bird.
Meet the owl, big eyes and hooting. Hoo, who's there? Oh, it's you. I'm Oliver the Owl, and I love to stay awake at night. Can you open your eyes really wide like me? Big and round. Now, let's say hoo together. Hoo! Owls have great night vision. We see in the dark and help keep the forest safe. Hooray for owls! Now, let's see our next bird friend. Meet the peacock, feathers spreading wide.
Ta-da! Look at me. I'm Percy the peacock, and I have the most beautiful feathers. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Spread! Wow! You are all amazing dancers. Peacocks love to show off their feathers when we are happy. Keep shining like me.
Meet the hummingbird, fast and tiny.
Now let's pretend to sip nectar from a flower. Slurp, slurp. Can you flap your arms really, really fast? Zoom, zoom, zoom. That was fun. I may be small, but I am mighty fast. Now, let's meet all our bird friends again.
Wow, we met so many amazing birds today. Parrot, I can talk and repeat words. Penguin, I waddle and slide on ice. Owl, I stay awake at night and say hoo. Peacock, I spread my beautiful feathers and twirl. Hummingbird, I flap my wings super fast and sip nectar. Now, let's all dance like birds. Flap your wings, waddle, twirl, and zoom. Yay!
Flap, flap, tweet, tweet. Birds are fun and oh so sweet. Fly up high or stay down low. Watch them dance and watch them go.
Thanks, kids, for joining us on today's great adventure in the magical world of birds. Don't forget to love birds. Birds are amazing. Some can talk, some can dance, and some can fly super fast. Bye-bye. See you again.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us.